DePaul University Review. My honest experience, pros and cons. Is it worth it in 2025? Choosing the right university is a huge decision, and if DePaul University is on your radar, you're probably wondering, is it really worth it? After my experience studying there, here's my honest breakdown of what makes DePaul stand out and where it could improve. Most people get this wrong. They assume DePaul is just another private university in Chicago. But the surprising truth is that it combines strong academics with unbeatable city access and career opportunities. DePaul's downtown Chicago location is a massive advantage. Whether you're in business, communications, or computer science, you're surrounded by internships and networking events right in the city. During my time there, I landed 2 internships just by attending on-campus career fairs. Professors are knowledgeable and often come straight from industry backgrounds, which means the classes feel practical, not just theoretical. Class sizes are generally small, so you get real interaction and feedback. However, it's not perfect. Tuition is high, around $0 per year before financial aid, and housing in Chicago isn't cheap either. The workload can also be intense, especially in programs like business and film. But if you're career-focused and want a school that connects directly to real-world opportunities, DePaul delivers. Their alumni network is strong, especially in Chicago, and job placement rates after graduation are solid. In short, DePaul University offers quality education, hands-on learning, and incredible access to one of America's biggest job markets. It's not the cheapest option, but for motivated students, it's absolutely worth the investment.